Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making a tomato and onion omelette. Let's get started. Set the burner temperature to medium-high heat. First, fry up some bacon. I am using turkey bacon. Now let's make the omelette. Add some butter. Add 1/4 diced red onion. Caramelize the onions and set them aside. Now let's make the omelette. Add some butter. Add in 4 eggs. Add in 1/2 diced tomato without the seeds. Add in the caramelized red onion. Add some fresh ground pepper. Add a pinch of salt. And there you have it, a tomato and onion omelette. See you next time.